Now we will discuss about the income and expenditures account. Let me say first what is income and expenditure account. It is an account which is very much similar to the profit and loss account. But the difference is that the profit and loss account is prepared by the business organization, whereas all those firms, all those organizations which are not associated with the business, specifically non-profit organizations, used to prepare the income and expenditure account. Mainly this account is prepared by the NPOs. The reason is that an NPO, non-profit organization, their motive is not to earn profit. That's why they don't prepare profit and loss account. Instead of profit and loss account, they prepare income and expenditure account. So, income and expenditure account, this is purely a nominal account in nature. Nominal account means what? Nominal account, it follows the rules of the nominal account. So, what is the golden rules stand for a nominal account? All loss and expenses are debited, all profit and incomes are credited. Here, the debit side represents all expenditure of an NPOs. Whether the expenditure incurred in a run, that is being included in the debit side. As well as a part of the expenditures, the losses which is suffered during the year, it is also included in the debit side of the income and expenditures account. On the credit side, it includes the surplus in incomes. Mind it, I am not using the word profit because the NPO's motive is not to earn profit. So, on the credit side, they consider, they recognizes, they record all those incomes which comes into the organizations. Just like receipt and payment account, it never starts with an opening balance, and at the same time, it doesn't finish with an closing balance. So, all the adjustment given in the question will come here. That means what? When we write down expenditure right here, already we have discussed the expenditure which is paid and payable. That means on the debit side of the income and expenditure account, we will write the expenditure as well as outstanding expenditure in nature. Say for the month of the January, the wages, the rent is 5,000 and the 2 months rent is being pending for the month of the November and December, 10,000. So here it will, a part of the 5,000, the 10,000 outstanding will come here. At the same time, while we recognizing income, along with the income, it will also recognizes all accrued incomes, which is about to receive by the firm. So this account follows the principle of the nominal account. Debit side represents all losses and expenses. Credit side represents all surplus and incomes. It is very much similar to the profit and loss account, but difference is that we have already discussed that it is mainly prepared by the non-profit organization, whereas the business organization used to prepare profit and loss account.